So that is very, very important, because that is the moment they show they've shown the people of Zimbabwe that this man is whatever which he's saying is relevant, is very, very important. So President Mnangagwa was supposed to come, rig elections as he did, then start to deliver. But he then neglected the issues of service delivery and started to focus on 2030. He's focusing on 2030, but he's focusing about 2030 in a country where civil servants are being paid peanuts, in a country where roads are dead, in a country where there is no water in the urban areas. Vanhu vari kushandisa bucket system. Uchitoenda kutoilet, everybody will know kuti mudhara vari kuenda kutoilet because uchatanga unotsvaga bucket rine mvura. That is a sign yekuti disrespect pamba ndo pairi kutotangira ipapo. So you find it very, very difficult to understand it, because at times mvura ichanetsa pamba, baba vachapinda mutoilet vosiya pfuma yavo imomo, mwana achapinda mutoilet osvika oisa pamusoro pepfuma yababa, mai vagopinda mutoilet vosvika oisa pamusoro pepfuma yemwana neyababa. That culture has been created by ZANU-PF, and the moment we start to see those things happening, it's a disrespect in terms of family values and the family dynamics. So when Comrade Geza comes then to speak against all those issues, his message gained relevance, because we have seen Tivai not getting arrested despite the issues which have been publicly published, despite the audios publicly published. But we have seen Chimombe, we have seen Mpofu being arrested. And Zach, at a certain point in time, acknowledged that they are launching investigations on Chivai.